Welcome back to Indian Ask Aussie Answers. I'm Krish.
And I'm Felicity. Today we're discussing family oriented celebrations in Australia and their significance. Krish, how do these compare to family traditions in India?
In India, family is central to our celebrations with the large gatherings and an emphasis on shared meals. Now, is it similar in Australia?
Absolutely, Krish. Family gatherings are a cornerstone of Australian celebrations too. Whether it's for birthdays, Christmas, or any other special occasions, getting together with family over a meal is a key part of our culture.
It sounds quite similar. What kind of meals or traditions are common in these family gatherings?
Well, barbecues are very popular as they're a relaxed way to cook and enjoy food together. But it's not just about the food, it's about the time spent together, sharing stories and catching up.
That resonates with me. In India, family gatherings often revolve around elaborate meals, and it's as much about the togetherness as it is about the food.
Exactly. And in Australia, these gatherings aren't just limited to immediate family, extended family and close friends often join in, broadening the sense of community.
Ah, that's a bit like Indian concept of family because which often we often extend our family beyond the blood relations. How do these gatherings play a role in large celebrations like Christmas or Easter?
On occasions like Christmas, families often gather for a special meal. It might be a lunch or a dinner with traditional dishes or a modern Australian twist. Easter is similar with family meals and, of course, Easter egg hunts for the kids. There are many dishes that you will see only at this time of year. For example, Easter brings the Hot Cross Buns, and Christmas would be fruit mince tart. Australia Day, the delicious lamingtons, a must try.
In India, festivals like Sankranthi, Diwali, or Eid also are celebrated around these family gatherings and celebrated with special meals. It's about coming together, celebrating our connections, and creating memories, aren't they?
That's the essence of these celebrations, isn't it? It's become more common to see major supermarkets reflect the traditions of many cultures of Australia. For example, during Ramadan, more dates are consumed, and this can be seen in the supermarkets where they bring in more stock. Whether in Australia or India, these family oriented events strengthen bonds and are a time for gratitude and joy. Weddings, anniversaries, and milestone birthdays like the 18th and the 21st are big family celebrations. These occasions often see a large gathering with food, music, and dancing.
Oh, wonderful celebrations, aren't they? Now, are there any regional or unique Australian family celebrations?
Yes, for example, in some parts of Australia, there are community events and local festivals for families to attend together, celebrating local history or seasonal events. It's a chance for families to engage with their wider community. It's not uncommon for libraries and community centres to celebrate their opening anniversary by throwing large community events.
Community engagement that adds another layer to family oriented celebrations. It seems that in both our cultures, these traditions are about strengthening the bonds and enjoying the togetherness.
Absolutely. It's about valuing these connections and making memories. Every family celebration, big or small, contributes to this sense of togetherness.
Thanks, Felicity, for that wonderful conversation. And thank you, everyone, for joining us. We hope this gives you an insight into the role of family in Australian celebrations.
See you next time on Indian Asks, Aussie Answers. Remember, whether in Australia or India, family is at the heart of our most cherished celebrations.
ఇక్కడ వన్ థింగ్ ఐ రియలీ వాంట్ ఎంఫసిస్ అండి. మనము ఇంగ్లీష్ సినిమాల్లో ఎక్కువ ఏం చూపిస్తారు అంటే వెస్ట్రన్ కల్చర్లో ఇట్ కుడ్ బి అమెరికన్, ఆస్ట్రేలియన్, కెనేడియన్, ఎనీ వెస్ట్రన్ కల్చర్ ఫ్యామిలీ బాండింగ్ అంతగా ఉండదన్నట్టుగా చూపిస్తారు. ఎవరికి వాళ్ళు అఫ్లోట్గా ఉంటారు, ఇండివిజువల్గా ఉంటారు అన్నట్టుగా చూపిస్తారు. So for a small percentage it is correct, but a majority of the percentages, large percentages, Australians do give a lot of importance to the family. They have father, mother, father's side of the family, mother's side of the family. They have their children, uncle, auntie, maternal uncle, maternal auntie. It's a big family gathering. Like even we have a big family for all birthdays, anniversaries, ఎంత చిన్న ఫంక్షన్ అయినా సరే we celebrate with all the extended family అండి. So don't have this misconception that Australians don't encourage family celebrations or anything, because they actually do. మీరు కనుక వెడ్డింగ్కి వెళ్తే కనుక, లేకపోతే బార్బెక్యూ సెలబ్రేషన్స్కి వెళ్తే కనుక, దెర్ ఈస్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎంఫసిస్ ఆన్ ఫ్యామిలీ. మామయ్య, అత్తయ్య, బాబాయ్, పిన్ని, their kids, their children. So please, when you get an opportunity, mingle with Australian family, and you will actually, it will open your eyes that whatever you have seen in the movies is actually incorrect. They do have a very, very tight family bonding with each other. I hope that has given you an insight to our family celebrations and also the family culture in Australia. See you in the next episode. Bye.